I can't believe that my hair looks this good now. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here though, my name is Hannah and I upload beauty videos. Feel free to stick around and subscribe. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. It has been about a year since I have been using Monat products. I do have a few other videos talking about using Monat as well that I will link for you guys if you haven't seen those other videos, but still feel free to watch this video as well. But as I mentioned, it's been about a year since I have been using Monat. I started using Monat about May of 2019. I think it was like May 2019. So, it's been about a year. I am filming this at the end of May. I believe this video is going to go up in June just for point of reference. Anyway, whenever I started using Monat, I don't think I really had the intention of growing out my hair this long. Also, before we get into this, I will insert footage closer to the beginning of whenever I started using Monat, also so you can see kind of like how my hair used to look, or towards the beginning of it. Let's just insert the footage. I'm filming this July 17th and I started using Monat at the beginning of May. So I've been using it for about 2.5 months now. I just washed my hair today and the products that I used were the clarifying shampoo. I used this first. Then I used the Revive shampoo. With Monat, you use shampoo twice. It's different than, other systems. Then I used the Smoothing Deep Conditioner, and I used the blowout cream before blow drying my hair and straightening it. But right now my hair, I feel like, is still in the recovery process, so it does get oily the next day. I just feel like I have very oily hair, and also with being blonde, I feel like it's a lot more visible whenever my hair is oily. I did take pictures, and that was freshly washed hair. Obviously this was also before I got highlights, so that my hair kind of looked dull from that as well. So as I was saying, whenever I first started using Monat, I don't think I really had the intention of growing out my hair this long. I didn't think that my hair could be this long and look this healthy. You might not think that this is long hair, but for me it definitely is, because my hair used to be a little bit below my shoulder. For the longest time, that's just where I would get my hair cut. So it was, about here. So it has grown this much, but I can't remember necessarily whenever I made the decision of wanting to grow out my hair. I don't think that was at the beginning of whenever I started using Monat back in May of 2019. It might have been. I didn't document that so much. I just, eventually I was like, I think I kind of want to grow out my hair, and I went with it. Also, I had the same hair for a while, and especially bangs. I had the side bangs for the longest time, and I'm finally growing those out as well. Just a little bit of change. For point of reference as well, my hair type is thin and color treated and fairly straight as well. I did straighten it. I live in a humid climate, so if I didn't, it just would be frizzy, and I just wouldn't like how much it looked as well. Also, let me go ahead and show you the back of my hair as well. This is what the back of it looks like. Hopefully, yeah, okay, cool. I think that you can see how long it is in the back. Cool, didn't want to forget to do that. So as I mentioned, before I started using Monat, I don't really think I planned on growing out my hair, but one of my biggest issues and why I really wanted to try it was because I never felt like my hair got completely clean. I noticed I had buildup around, especially this area of my scalp, and I was just pretty upset about it. It really bothered me personally, just because, especially on the days that I washed my hair, I still didn't like the end result, and it just kind of bothered me because obviously I wanted my hair to look nicer. So that was my biggest thing before, and of why I wanted to try out Monat. And my hair just growing this healthy and stuff like that was kind of an added bonus. I'm obviously very pleased with that. Let me mention the products that I used today, because I did just wash my hair today. The shampoo that I used was this volumizing Revive shampoo. I do have a few other shampoos as well, but this is just the only shampoo that I used today, in case you're wondering. As I mentioned, I have thin hair, so this might still look fairly flat, and I mean it kind of is, especially since I straightened it, but I don't know, it's not plastered to my head, you know? So this might help with that. The conditioner that I used, no, that's the blowout cream. The conditioner that I used was this Smoothing Deep Conditioner. I only have 2 conditioners at the time, which is like fine, but I'm just, you know, mentioning that as well in case you're curious. So this is the conditioner that I used. I also have the purple conditioner, but I didn't use that one today. I recently got my hair highlighted as well, and that's another reason for waiting to kind of do this video. I mean, it's still around the year mark, but I wanted to have my hair freshly like trimmed and highlighted as well. Salons are open in my area where I live. So also I'm really pleased with how that turned out as well. That's the shampoo and conditioner that I used. Then the styling products, I guess. Well, this is a styling product. Anyway, I used the blowout cream for my heat protectant because I did let my hair naturally air dry a little bit, but I also used the hair dryer, and I also used the Rejuva beads. This is a split end mender. It says on the bottle. This is the other product that I use, and I've been using Rejuva beads, I feel like, for a while. Once again, I didn't document whenever I started using that, which I kind of wish I did, but that kind of, I have noticed, I mean, I don't know, because I can't remember what my hair was like before Rejuva beads because I have been using it for a while, but I do think that that helps with my split ends as well. I definitely think that my hair looks cleaner and feels cleaner as well since using Monat, so I'm very, very pleased with that. I'm also just so pleased with my results overall. As I said, you know, like my hair has grown as well, even though that wasn't necessarily my original intent, but I'm also very pleased with that. As I mentioned earlier, I do have other videos showing, you know, like talking about Monat as well that I will link for you guys right here. Make sure you check that out. Once again, thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video.